Sure. I think this is the question you were talking about. Okay, yeah, this paper covers at least everything on fractions. Yeah, every concept on fractions. So looking at the first one, they're saying simplify the following as fully as possible. So remember, LCD is the common thing here. So getting your LCD first. Your LCD is determined by the denominators. So you have 2x and x. So my LCD is going to be equal to 2x. Good. Now, for me to have the same denominator, I need to have 2 all over x. For x to be 2x, I have to multiply it by 2. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 all over 2. And then if I continue, it's negative 3 over 2x. I don't need to change this to x because the LCD is 2x. Good. Now I have 4 over 2x minus 3 over 2x. So this is going to be 4, right? The denominator is going to be the same, which is 2x. So I have 4 minus 3. Sure. Now, 4 minus 3 is 1. So the answer is 1 over 2x. So let us continue to the second question. So again, LCD. Do I need to deal with LCD? I don't think I need to deal with LCD because of it's a division sign. If it was subtraction or addition of fractions, then I need to consider LCD. Now I'm dealing with subtraction, so it's not necessary. I'm going to say this can be factorized. Difference of two squares here. So I have y minus 2. Then I have y plus 2. This is all over y squared. Then it's a division, so I flip, introducing a multiplication. So the denominator becomes the numerator, and vice versa with the numerator. Good. Now, I have this thing I can eliminate. If I look at this question, y plus 2 eliminates y plus 2. And remember, dude, don't make this mistake. This one, I think we spoke about it one time, né? Where you have y plus 2 all over y plus 3. These are not the same things. I cannot cancel out, or I cannot cancel the y's. No, I cannot do that. Only if I have 2y all over 4y. You see, they're separated by multiplication there. Then I can eliminate. But if it's like this, I do not eliminate. This will be the final answer. Good. Uh, let's get back to that question. So this y, I have one y here. It's going to cancel one of the y's there. So you're remaining with y exponent 1. So my answer will be y minus 2 all over y. Good. Now getting to the next question. Again, you see the separations of subtractions. The fractions are separated by the subtraction. If it's subtraction or addition, consider LCD. If it's multiplication or division, tip and times. So getting to our question. So you have A all over have A all over A minus 2 minus, oh, first thing, LCD, right? I need to factorize this thing, however. So if I factorize it, so I have 3 over A plus 3, then I have minus 10. And if I factorize that, I'm going to have a minus 2, and then a plus 3. That's what I have there. So my LCD is going to be a minus 2, and then a plus 3. So I'm going to make all the denominators to be the same. So for me to make the denominators have a plus 3, I multiply by a plus 3. So I have a over a minus 2 times a plus 3 all over a plus 3. And then minus 3 over a plus 3. So I need a minus 2 there. Times a minus 2 all over a minus 2. And then minus 10 all over a minus 2, a plus 3. So as you can see, everything I have the same denominators, a over 3. So I'm going to have my denominator, a minus 2, a plus 3. So here I'm going to have a into a plus 3 minus 3 into a minus 2, then minus 10. So if I simplify the numerator, it's going to be a squared plus 3a minus 3a plus 6 minus 10 all over a minus 2, a plus 3. In these calculations, you need to be very careful, right? So I have the 3a taking out the positive 3a and the negative 3a, so they are out. So I have 6, 10 minus 10. So my denominator, a minus 2, a plus 3. So I have a squared minus 4. So it's a difference of 2 squares, right? I don't have space, so I'm going to say a plus 2, a minus 2 all over a minus 2, a plus 3. So the a minus 2 takes out the a minus 2. So my answer is going to be a plus 2 all over a plus 3. Remember, the a's don't cancel out. This is the final answer. Good. Let's get to the next question. Same thing here. This is what you have. You have 6x, right? Then you have 6x plus 6. So a common LCD here, it's not 6x only. The 6 has to be accompanied with this. The 6x has to be accompanied with the 6. So the LCD, I multiply them. It's going to be 6x multiplied by what? 6x plus 6. This is your LCD. So in number 3, I have in the first term, I have 3, then it's 6x plus 6. Right, so I need to multiply this thing. For it to be similar to the LCD, I need to multiply it by what? 6x. 6x. And then I have going back to the question, so it's minus 2 minus x all over 6x. I multiply this one with 6x plus 6 all over 6x plus 6. Sure. So this will be 3 times 6x is going to be 9x. Then I have 6x into 6x plus 6, right? That's the denominator. Then minus. I have this minus is very important. This minus is very important because it affects things there, right? It affects the whole thing there. So I put it in bracket 2 minus x, then 6x plus 6. This negative is very important because, as you can see here, it does not only affect the 2, it affects the whole numerator. So that is why it's in bracket. So it can affect everything there. So it can affect everything there. And when I continue, I have 9x minus. So I'm gonna simplify that bracket there. So I'm gonna have 12x. Then I have 12. Then minus 6x squared minus 6x all over 6x, then 6x plus 6. Bear in mind, I'm not simplifying the denominator because I want to see if there's something that I can cancel out. So I'll only simplify the denominator when it's the last step. So right now I have 9x minus. So inside here, the 12x and the 6x is going to be 6x. Then I have the 12, then minus 6x squared. Good. Now I have 9x minus 6x minus 12 plus 6x squared. This affected, the negative affected this, it affected that as well as that. That's why they've changed that. You have the 6x. And then getting to the, okay, my belt just arrived. So let me just pause for a minute.